I've put the DREO Smart Fan for bedroom, 120 degrees plus 120 degrees through its paces over the last couple of weeks. Here's my full breakdown. First off, let me tell you, I was blown away by how seamlessly this fan integrates into your home. The Turbo Wind tech is genuinely impressive, delivering whole room circulation in just 1 minute for spaces up to 105 square feet. Having tested this myself, I can attest that it's a game changer for people with small or poorly ventilated bedrooms. Now, the real magic happens when you pair this fan with the DREO app. You can control everything from your voice commands to RGB light, oscillation, speed, and even set timers, all from the comfort of your bed. I mean, who wouldn't want to wake up to a cozy atmosphere every morning? It's like having a personal butler for your home. But here's where things get really interesting. The auto mode is essentially a temperature controller that adjusts the fan speed based on the ambient temperature. What I found was that it kept me remarkably comfortable, even during those notoriously hot summer nights. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like falling asleep to the soothing sound of a gentle breeze. Now, I've got to say, I was impressed by how quiet this thing is too. With just 20 decibels of noise output, it's basically whisper quiet. I tested this in my own home, running the fan at max speed for an hour straight while watching TV, and barely even noticed it. But let's get to the not-so-great stuff. I did notice that the oscillation mechanism can be a bit finicky at times. It takes a few seconds to settle into its rhythm, but once it does, it's smooth as silk. So, what's my verdict? If you're looking for a high-quality fan that'll keep your bedroom cozy all year round, then this is the one for you. The DREO Smart Fan has earned a solid 4.7 of 5 stars on Amazon, and after putting it through its paces, I can see why. On the other hand, if you're someone who's extremely particular about aesthetics or noise levels, this might not be the fan for you. The white design is sleek and modern, but some of you might find it a tad too plain. If this was useful, do subscribe. I publish in-depth reviews every week. Amazon link is in the description. Thanks for watching, more reviews coming soon.